Good morning. We are on the hunt for an engine hoist to pull a spark plug. Welcome to episode 6 of KOH vlog. We are working on the car again this morning. We have a few things to button up. We're trying to still figure out this charging issue. Probably going to go get some alternators bench tested this morning. But yeah, we got to rip them out, get them going, and hopefully we can run the car this afternoon. That would be great.
We just got back from O'Reilly's, tested both our alternators. The one that was in the car confirmed bad, so got that swapped out. It works now, so that was our issue, which is super awesome. We now have a working spare too, so we're all set. We're gonna load up and go get some miles on the car.
Fixed our alternator, ran the car, felt really good, blew up a rear shock, and then in the process of working our way back, noticed the truck was misfiring, found it is on cylinder 2, and we're like, oh okay, we'll just pull the spark plug, check the spark plug, be easy, maybe it's a coil pack, easy, and then we found out that the silly goofy guy who designed our engine cage put a tube right where cylinder 2 is, so you cannot remove the coil pack with the engine in the car. So we're gonna drop the motor mounts, drop the trans mount, and just try and move the motor around until we can get that coil pack out, check the spark plug. Hopefully that's what it is. If not, we're going to be chasing some wiring, and hopefully we don't have another electrical issue. Jess will help.
Hey! Hey! What are you doing on my property, buddy? Hey! Hey! What are you trying, eh?
Onions, man, they are not my friend.
Damn, that looks tasty. Tasty, campsite questions, what's your favorite food? You got a seasoning go-to?
This is actually my go-to, carne asada.
Shout out Bill Bailey.
Bill Bailey's. He's got a little citrus marinade. You get it at Costco, eh? Good price.
Yeah, Bill, if you're ever listening, hook us up.
Sponsor us.
Hook us
Sponsor
up,
us, Bill.
Hook us up, Bill.
I'm Bill.
Oh, no way.
I'm not Bill.
Oh.
Get that bag. Can I have my drink back?
Welcome. Welcome.
Like he's watching. As I just
Good morning. We are on the hunt for an engine hoist to pull a spark plug. Someone said they were going to bring a tractor over, but it's already been like an hour and there hasn't been a tractor, so time to take matters into our own hands and go beg on people for their equipment.
What's happening?
Trying to find a cherry picker. No luck. No luck.
No dice. No dice.
Alright. What are you doing? I figured it out. Never driven one before, but it's not too hard. Look at Aiden.
Where you're at. Come forward and slightly right.
So, order of operation. Disassemble the motor mount on the passenger side, pull the trans cross member, undo a few things like our fan shroud and stuff like that, and then go ask Monster Energy very nicely if we can borrow their rental forklift.
Not a good spot to stand.
And then put Hayden in there, who has no idea how to operate said rental forklift, and then pick our motor up with it, and hopefully not break anything. and she's out.
It was running fine, but code said that there was a misfire on every cylinder except for the one that has the potentially bad coil pack. So we cleared it, we're gonna see what happens, but it sounds fine, it runs fine mostly, so just gonna see what happens, I guess, from here.
Yeah, so we're getting the shock rebuilt and we're gonna do some more testing.
Yeah, going out to do some actual shock testing with Icon and use their expertise and hopefully really dial it in from the good starting point it is at.
All the shocks out. We got some really good testing in. Ran the car for like 40 minutes, 45 minutes. Pretty much got all the data we needed. And now Icon is going to take them and work some magic. We found some issues with how the rear was set up. At first we thought we were just blowing up seals based off of temperature. So we tried a different seal. And then based off pulling the shock apart, we found that the hose, as the shock was basically pitching as we articulated, was prying on that seal housing on the shock body. So we're going to try a new hose routing option so that hose isn't trying to pull on it and pinch that seal and cause a little seal leak. So outside of that, a few small valving changes and the car's absolutely ripping. So feeling really confident in the setup. Just have a little bit of dialing in to do.
Coffee. Coffee, 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 coffee.
Good morning. It is Wednesday. We're gonna go rock crawl today. Woke up, our car is completely dead, so Hayden's truck's charging it. But today, we're gonna go try and run some rocks. Dave Cole was mentioning in the live stream, like the pre-KOH live show, that Masters is a really good trail to go hit when you get out here early. So we're gonna go run Masters. We've never done it before. We're gonna see what it's all about. We probably won't push the car too hard just to take care of it a little bit, but go test these Cleaver RTs in the rocks and go test the car in the rocks a little bit, see how everything's jiving. Hopefully we can get started up here pretty soon.
Welcome.
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 Set it on my hand warmer.
Welcome.
Hey, welcome.
Welcome!
Welcome. Welcome.
Welcome.
Nasty Trevor.
Welcome. How we doing?
3 minutes.
3 minutes. Wheel time.
3 minutes and 44 seconds.
Oh.
That's pretty good. Here's Choose Your Own Adventure. Remote Pit 2. Haynes Tacoma. It just did what trail?
Clawhammer and Nightmare.
Clawhammer and Nightmare. Easy. We're up here on top of Fisher Mountain. Back behind me here, up on top of this, is where they set up the repeater and everything. And the view up here with the sunset, just insane. So I'll show you guys Hammertown down here. Yeah. The sunset. It's not too busy yet. Pretty crazy. VDs. Driving at night ain't a problem with these bad boys. Thing looks insane. We did a lot of rocks today. We hit Wrecking Ball. Will knows the trails. He was looking at the iPad.
Okay, ready. This morning, we did Wrecking Ball and Bender Alley.
Yep. In the
And
third
then,
gen.
in the third gen. Broke that. Came back down. Got lunch. Then left and went and did Clawhammer and Nightmare and Choose Your Own Adventure.
In Hayden's Tacoma.
And Hayden's Tacoma.
Hayden's Tacoma did really good. No body damage, but slightly easier trails. Third gen did good, but broke. So,
What broke?
well, Napa CV axle, no big deal. She made her way back out, and then we had to hike a little bit. But overall, good day. We got good notes for some of the harder rock trails that we'll be doing, combined with the stuff that we did earlier this week. We still need to go look at Spooner's Outer Limits. Feeling pretty confident on Spooner's. That one's not too bad. We're going down that. Going up Outer Limits. There's only a few lines through all that stuff anyways, so even if we don't get out there to go see it, we'll at least have an idea of it because we've done it before. But everything changes a bunch out here, so yeah, tomorrow we might be doing some pre-running for the desert races coming up this weekend with Bailey, but to be determined. If not, whatever. But today, Hayden and Cameron also busted on the car. They went over, nut and bolted the whole thing again. They set up our belly skid. They cut the plastic for it. That slick belly's looking kick-ass. Yeah, it was a good day overall. Tired. Woke up really early and did a shoot this morning too. So.
And bicycled it.
And we did a yeet. So go check Baja Design's Instagram post and S-Pod's Instagram post for that. Oh yeah, like, comment, subscribe.
No,
to the
prescribe.
channel. Prescribe, that's fine too. Like,
On a daily basis.
also, Motorsports, quotes, Motorsports, use that code on SherpaEquipmentCo.com. Save you some money.
Say goodnight, Hayden.
Oh, Trevor's gone. Bye. Oh, Trevor, come here.
Oh, let the loud
The
boy in.
child can come back in. Hey, child. You're loud. Hi. Welcome.